Assalamu alaikum students. First of all, I welcome you all. I hope you all are fine and doing well at homes. Today is our lecture number 12. Objectives of the lessons are students will be able to solve system of linear equation by using Cramer rule. Student will be able to find out determinants. Cramer's rule will give us unique solution to a system of linear equation if it exists. Unit number 1, exercise 1.6, question number 2, 3 and 4. So here we have some word problem. First we have to make the linear equation from the given statement, and then we have to solve these equations. Solve the following word problem by using matrix inversion method and Cramer's rule. Here we have question number 2, the length of rectangle is 4 times its width. The perimeter of rectangle is 150 centimeter. Find the dimensions of rectangle. We have two parts. There are two parts of statement. In first part, the length of rectangle is 4 times its width. Let's suppose this is a rectangle. Length is equals to y and width is equals to x. So according to the statement, according to the given statement, if we multiply width by 4, it will equals to y. So y is equals to 4x. Now make the linear equation from the statement 4x minus y equals to 0. This is the equation 1. Second part of the statement, perimeter of rectangle is equals to 150 centimeter. So perimeter, you know that the perimeter of the rectangle is equals to 2 times of width plus length is equals to 150 centimeter. 2 will be divided by 150. So it is equals to 75 centimeter. X plus y is equals to 75 centimeter. This is equation 2. Now move on the solution. Let the width of the rectangle is equals to x and the length of the rectangle is y. First statement, y is equals to 4x. According to the condition, if we multiply the width with 4 times of width equals to its length. So 4x, now make the equation 4x minus y is equal to 0. Second condition, perimeter is equals to 150 centimeter. We know that the formula of perimeter of rectangle is equals to 2 into length plus width, which is equals to 150 centimeter. 2 will be divided by 150, so it is equal to 75. This is equation number 2. So now we have two equations, equation 1 and equation 2. Now first solve these equations by matrix inverse method. In first step, write the equations in matrix form. You know that Ax is equals to b, so x is equals to A inverse b. First you have to find out the A inverse and then multiply it with b. So find out the A inverse. A inverse is equals to adjoint of A divided by A determinant. So adjoint of A, you know that in adjoint we replace the value, diagonal value, and change the sign of non-diagonal value. So now find out the determinant of A, which is equals to 5. Now find out the A inverse, adjoint divided by determinant. So this is the A inverse. Now multiply A inverse with B. $75, 300. Now 75 divided by 5 and 300 divided by 5. So this is equals to 15 and 60. X is equals to 15 centimeter and y is equals to 60 centimeter. Now solve this by Cramer's rule. Here we have two linear equations. In first step, we will write these equations in matrix form. So x equals to determinant of Ax divided by A determinant. You know that in Ax, x की वैल्यू जो है रिप्लेस हो जाती है b से। जब हम ax फाइंड करते हैं उसे हम रिप्लेस करते हैं, x की वैल्यू रिप्लेस होती हैं b से और जो y की वैल्यूज हैं वो हमारे पास सेम रहती हैं। सो जब हम ax फाइंड आउट करेंगे तो हमने x की वैल्यू को रिप्लेस कर दिया b की वैल्यू से और जो y की वैल्यूज थी वो एज इट इज रही। दिस इज इक्वल्स टू ax। नाउ फाइंड आउट द डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ ax। This is the determinant of ax. Similarly, ay will be equals to x की जो वैल्यू है वो सेम रहेंगी और जो y की वैल्यूज हैं उनको हम रिप्लेस कर देंगे b की वैल्यू से। This is equals to ay. Now find out the determinant of ay. It's equal to 300. Putting the values in equation 3 and 4, x is equals to determinant of ax divided by a determinant. So 75 divided by 5, which is equals to 15 centimeter. Y is equals to determinant of ay divided by a determinant. 300 divided by 5, so it is equals to 60 centimeter. Here x is equals to 15 centimeter, y is equals to 16 centimeter. आपको किसी भी तरीके से क्वेश्चन इन इक्वेशंस को सॉल्व करें, चाहे मैट्रिक्स इनवर्स मेथड से करें या फिर लीनियर क्रैमर्स रूल से करें, आपका जो आंसर है वो दोनों का सेम आएगा। So the solution of the question number 2, the length of rectangle is equals to 60 centimeter and the width of rectangle is 15 centimeter. You can see that the length of rectangle is 4 times more than its width. Now move on, question number 3. Two sides of rectangle differ by 3.5 centimeter. Find the dimensions of rectangle if its perimeter is 67 centimeter. Let's suppose this is the rectangle. The length of a rectangle is equals to x and the width is equals to y. So first part of the statement is two sides of rectangle differ by 3.5. It's mean when the difference between the two sides equals to 3.5 centimeter. So we can write x minus y is equals to 3.5. This is equation 1. The second part of the statement is perimeter is equals to 67 centimeter. So you know that the formula perimeter 2 into length plus width equals to 60 centimeter. 67 centimeter 2 will be divided by 67. 67 divided by 2 equals to 33.5. So this is equation number 2. Now the solution of the equation. Let the length of rectangle x and the width of rectangle is y. Perimeter of rectangle is equal to 67 centimeter. First condition, the difference between the two sides equal to 3.5. This is equation 1. And the second condition, perimeter is equal to 67 centimeter. You know that the formula of perimeter 2 into length plus width is equal to 67. 2x plus y is equal to 67. 67 divided by 2, which is equal to 33.5. This is equation number 2. Now I will just tell you how to make the equation from the given statements. You have to solve this by yourself by the two methods, matrix invert method and Cramer's rule. You have to solve this by the two methods. Question number 4. The third angle of an isosceles triangle is 16 degrees less than the sum of two equal angles. Find the three angles of triangles. So in first equation, first part, let two equal angles are x, and the third angle is y. Because the two angles are equal, let's suppose these are x, and the third is equals to y. So according to the statement, when we add the two angles, equal angles, and subtract 16 from the angles, it will equals to y. जब हम दो एंगल्स को ऐड करेंगे और उसमें से 16 को माइनस करें, 16 लेस करें, तो वो हमारे थर्ड एंगल के इक्वल होगा. सो अब हम इसको हमने जब इक्वेशन फॉर्म में लिखा, इक्वल टू x माइनस 16 इक्वल्स टू y. तो हमारे पास जो इक्वेशन 1 इससे बनी है वो 2x माइनस y इज इक्वल्स टू 16. This is equation 1. Second equation, sum of, you know that the sum of all angles of isosceles triangle is equals to 180 degree. X plus y is equals to 180 x plus x is equals to 2x plus y is equals to 180. This is equation number 2. You have to solve the question number 3 and question number 4 by matrix inverse method and Cramer's rule by yourself. So these are the two equations. Now you have to solve these equations by matrix inverse method and Cramer's rule by yourself. This is your homework. Do question number 3 and question number 4 by using matrix inversion method and Cramer's rule. Thank you.